Are you struggling to sound natural in English? Let's make it easy and fun. Okay, so what's the difference between formal and informal English? Formal English is like wearing a suit to a job interview. Informal English is like chatting with a friend in your comfy clothes. Example time. Instead of saying, "Hello, how are you?" you might say, "Hey, what's up?" with friends. See the difference? Another one. I am writing to inform you is formal. Just letting you know is informal. Easy, right? One more. Instead of "I apologize for the inconvenience," you can say, "Sorry about that." Formal versus informal, just like that. Practice these examples, and you'll be switching between formal and informal English like a champ. Keep it up, and you'll sound natural in no time. See you in the next video. See you in the next...